Hello students, in the last class we have discussed uses of vital statistics as well as measures of fertility rates. They are CBR as well as GFR. Continuing further, in today's class we will be discussing age specific fertility rate, that is ASFR. So the definition says the average number of live births occurring to 1000 women population in a specified age group in a year. So it is given by the formula So ASFR is number of live births occurring in a specified age group into 1000 divided by number of women population in that particular age group in a year. Coming to the merit, it is used in the computation of total fertility rate, that is, this age specific fertility rate is used in the computation of total fertility rate. And the second one is, it considers both age and sex compositions, that is age in the sense it considers from 15 to 49 years, and as well as sex composition in the sense it considers only a female population, that is a merit. These two are the two merits. And demerits, it cannot be used to compare fertility rates of two or more populations, and it does not indicate the growth of population due to live births. Next, we shall study the problems on ASFR or age specific fertility rate. First problem, find ASFRs for the following data. You can see the table here. First column is age, which is given in years: 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 49. Second column is number of women: 14,000, 15,000, again 14,000, 12,000, 13,000, 12,000 and 11,000. Third column is number of live births: 840, 1350, 2800, 1200, 1040, 960 and 550. So here you have to find age specific fertility rate, that is, first you need to write the formulas, that is age specific fertility rate for the year 15 to 19, for the age group from 15 to 19, that is number of live births of age group 15 to 19 into 1000 divided by number of women population of age group 15 to 19. So if you consider here, for the age group 15 to 19, the value is 840 divided by 14,000 into 1000. So the answer is 60. So this is for the age group from 15 to 19. Similarly, you have to calculate for the rest of the age groups, that is from 20 to 24, 25 to 29 and so on up to 45 to 49. So the values will be 90, 200, 100, 80, 80 and 50. So here age specific fertility rate, in the sense you need to calculate fertility rates for each and every groups, that is from 15 to 19, 20 to 24 up to 45 to 49. Next we shall see the second problem, that is compute CBR, GFR and ASFR. Table is given: age in years, that is 0 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49 and 50 and above. Second column is male population: 20,730, 7,366, 7,300, 6,300, 9,980, 7,400 and the last one is 8,400. Third column is female population: 19,840, 7,310, 7,120, 5,860, 9,120, 6,910, and 7,900. The last column is live births. First value is 0, that is for the age group 0 to 14 live birth will be 0. Then 15 to 19 it is 212, 657, 592, 326, 81, and the last value is also 0, that is for the age group 50 and above. Solution is to find the CBR. First you have to find out total of male population, total of female population, as well as total number of live births. So it is given by the formula CBR is equal to live births into 1000 divided by total population, that is so 1868 into 1000 divided by, this is a total of male population and this is a total of female population, 64,060, that is equal to 1868 and 000, that is 18,68,000 and divided by 1,31,536. This is a total of male and female population. So answer is 14.26 live births. This is a CBR. Next is to find GFR. They find the total of female population and live births for the age group from 15 to 49 years. Here you have to consider from the age group from 15 to 49 years. You should not consider the live births as well as female population in the year 0 to 14 and 50 and above age groups. That you should not consider. You have to consider the age group from 15 to 49 years. So it is given by live birth divided by female population into 1000 for the general fertility rate, that is general age group you have to consider, that is from 15 to 49 years. So here the live births are same. Why? Because you have the live birth in the age group from 0 to 14 it is null or 0, and similarly 50 and above also it is 0. So you can write the same value there, 1868 into 1000 divided by, here you have to consider the female population. Previous female population was 64,060, but here it will be 36,320 because you are not considering the female population in the year 0 to 14 and 50 and above. So the value is 36,320 and the answer is 51.43. This is a live birth per 1000 female populations. This is about GFR. To find the age specific fertility rate for the age group from 15 to 49 years, first you need to write the formula, that is ASFR for the year 15 to 19 is equal to number of live birth of the age group 15 to 19 into 1000 divided by number of women population for the age group 15 to 19. It is given by so the value is first value of live birth in the age group 15 to 19 is 212 divided by female population is 7,310, that is in the age group 15 to 19. This you have to keep it in mind, into 1000. So the answer is 29. This is the ASFR for the year 15, for the age group 15 to 19. The rest of the or similar ASFRs are calculated. So the values are 29, 92.28, 101.02, 35.75, 11.72. This is a age specific fertility rate for the rest of the years specified age groups. Next measure of fertility is total fertility rate, and this is the last fertility rate, that is TFR. So it is defined as sum of total of annual age specific fertility rate. First here you need to find out the ASFRs first, that you have studied in the merit of ASFRs. First ASFR is found for each and every age groups, then you need to take the sum of it, that is sum of total and annual ASFRs. It is given by the formula TFR is equal to ASFR for the year 15 plus ASFR for the year 16 up to plus ASFR for the year 49. That is given by TFR is equal to summation ASFRs or summation annual ASFRs when quinquennial age groups are given. Quinquennial in the sense age group, the width of the age group is 5 years, then 5 into summation quinquennial ASFRs. Merits: it is used for comparing fertility rates of different populations. It considers only female population of childbearing age. Then next is a demerits. It does not indicate the growth of population due to births. It is based on assumption that all women survive throughout the childbearing age. So this is a demerit. Next, this total fertility rate indicates that the number of children born per 1,000 women in the childbearing age, provided none of these women die before the childbearing age is completed. So the TFR divided by 1,000 gives the average number of children born in the lifetime to one woman. Next, we shall study the problems on total fertility rates. The question is, calculate total fertility rate for the following data. First column age is given in years: 15 to 20, 20 to 24, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45. Second column is female population: 7,300, 6,800, 6,000, 5,600, 5,000, 4,100. Live births are 20, 180, 260, 200, 80 and 5. So to find the total fertility rate, first you have to find the age specific fertility rate. Please write down the formula. ASFR is equal to ASFR for the age group 15 to 20. Here you can see the age groups there. It is given in a exclusive class intervals, that is here it is 15 to 20. Number of live births of the age group 15 to 20 into 1,000 divided by female population of the age group 15 to 20. So the first value is 20 into 1,000 divided by 7,300. So the value is equal to 2.74. Similarly, remaining ASFRs are computed, that is 26.47, 43.33, 35.71, 16.0 and 1.22. To find the total fertility rate, you need to find the total of ASFRs, that is 125.48. To find the total fertility rate, write down the formula. TFR is equal to 5 into quinquennial ASFRs. Here also 5 is considered as a width. Why? Because here we are considering exclusive class intervals, that is from 15 to 20, 20 to 25 and so on. So 5 into 125.48, that is equal to 627.39 39 This is a total fertility rate, that is 627.39. Next, to find the average number of children per woman, that is TFR divided by 1000, that is 627.39 divided by 1000, that is equal to 0.6274. So there is average number of children per woman in this problem is 0.627. So in this class we have studied age specific fertility rate and total fertility rate as well as problems based on that. In next class we shall study the reproduction rates as well as mortality rates. Thank you.